Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
It is raining all around me. It's raining, oh seriously.
It is
Raining. I'm wet. All around me. What can we see? We can see your ladder rain. Ride on, Jesus. Send forth your rain until we are soaked in the ladder rain.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's so. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.